This evening specially was arranged to give us all a chance to connect, not just as colleagues, but growing as team. Tonight is about building stronger bonds and celebrating the spirit of teamwork.
People need to love the company, and then company need to love the people. Because of company and then people together, we are all here.
I'm happy to join this organization. Very happy. Thank you, sir.
It was a small team, now it's been a big team.
And from past 2 years I'm working with the company and I'm very happy with all the things we are getting.
So I'm very happy, I'm very excited to see you all here.
First I started with my career as a technical helper. After 4 months I joined GVS team. So I standing here, you know my work.
Anif sir, thank you. Khana bahut acha tha. Mohamed sir, thank you.
This kind of gatherings are very important, and we have to at least, I request Anif to have it at least 2 times in a year or 3 times in a year, or as much as possible with the clients, with the team, with the associates. That's more important. And 2 things I would like to request: love people, that's more important, irrespective of any situation, and love the system, follow that. So that will help to maintain our existing. Thank you very much and good night.